Okay, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll be showing you how to replace the light bulbs in these front clusters. To see how you do it. So first things first, you need to open up the bonnet here, go into the car, down in the footwell of the passenger, pull that out towards you, and that will click. What you do is to open the boot, go to the front here, slide your hand along underneath, and you'll find that there's a latch. There it is there. Right, okay, so it's right there where your thumb is. You want to push that to the left at the same time as lifting it up. Okay, and once you've lifted it up, see this yellow bar here? That needs to lift up and go into there. Okay, there you go. So do make sure that that is properly in there and that's not going anywhere, so it doesn't fall on your head. Okay, now then, we'll stick to the driver's side here. Okay, so what you'll find is on the inside here, you've got this rubber cap, yeah, that's probably got the words Valio on it. So what you want to do is see this tab here, pull that away, and that comes completely away. Hold on to that, don't want to lose that. Now what you're looking at here is the light itself, yeah? So what you're finding, because I'm looking down on it, there is the main bulb, right? And I've pulled that bulb out, sorry, there you go. So I pulled that out, okay? And now you can disconnect that connector. So the way I did that was it literally just pulls out. There's some spring clips in there, so it just pulls out. It keeps going. See that? Just pull it straight backwards, yeah? And then that's your light. And in order to disconnect the bulb from the connector, you just have to pull it straight out. So you wiggle it a bit. You don't have to twist it, just wiggle it out. And this is the bulb here, okay? You need to take out here, okay? And to reconnect, really simple. You just plug it back into that connector that you've taken out, slot it back in, put it in, put the rubber cap on. That's it. See, you've got on the bottom that little black square there. That needs to line up with that in there like that. Then you're just pushing it in. Okay, that's it. Slot it back in, put it in, put the rubber cap on. That's it. I hope that's helped. 2-minute job. So please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.